Hello, if you want to add the fingerprint into your Redmi 14C, then first of all you will have to start by opening the settings. Now you have to go for fingerprints, face date and the screen lock. And right here you will have to go for the fingerprint unlock. Now input your screen lock. And all you have to do is just to put your finger on the right side. There's the sensor on the button. So you will have to just keep touching gently, just touching your sensor with all of these edges of your finger. And that's how you can actually properly scan this. Take a look. You will have to just grab your finger. You can even add another finger, but of course it's not gonna work properly then until you fulfill this animation of the fingerprint. So it will take around like 2 minutes or even 1 minute if you are pretty fast. There we go. Now it's finished. You can set the name for this fingerprint and you can click done. And additionally, you can also add another finger if you want. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.